We have seen foot of the perpendicular image, and we have seen some problems in the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, now we'll see image problems. Find the image of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we know image formula. By a square plus b square. This is the formula for image. Here x1 y1 is given what sir? 1 comma minus 2, and what is the a value? 2, b value minus 3, c value 5. We are comparing with the line equation. Therefore, x minus x1 is 1 by a value 2, k minus y1 plus 2 by minus 3, minus 2 into ax1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 5 by a square plus b square, 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. So, we are substituting the values. So, h minus 1 by 2, k plus 2 by minus 3, 5 plus 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 26 by 13. So, what will we get? H minus 1 by 2, k plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, h minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2, k plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Right? Now, cross multiplication. So, h minus 1 is equal to minus 4, k plus 2 is equal to 6. So, h is equal to minus 4 plus 1, h is equal to minus 3, and here k is equal to 6 minus 2, k is equal to 4. So, what is the image? Is minus 3 comma 4. This is a formula application. Simply you have to put the values and simplify this. 2 marks question, sir. He can give you in the examination for 2 marks. Please note down this. Find the image of 1 comma 2 in the straight line in the straight line 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So, what is the a value? 3, b value 4, c value minus 1. What is the x1 y1? 1 comma 2. h minus 1 by 3, k minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 2 into ax1, 3 plus 8 minus 1 by a square plus b square, 9 plus 16. Okay. So, h minus 1 by 3, k minus 2 by 4, 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 2 minus 20. 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 2s are 20, here 25. So, what will happen? h minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 20 by 25. Similarly, k minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 20 by 25. So, what will happen? h minus 1 by 3, cancel with the 5 table, minus 4 by 5, k minus 2 by 4, minus 4 by 5. Cross multiply. With 5 I am multiplying. 5 into h minus 1 is equal to minus 12. Here 5 into k minus 2 is equal to minus 16. Open the bracket. 5h minus 5 is equal to minus 12. 5k minus 10 is equal to minus 16. So, 5h is equal to minus 12 plus 5. 5k is equal to minus 16 plus 10. Okay. So, this becomes 5h is equal to minus 7, 5k is equal to minus 6. Therefore, h is equal to minus 7 by 5. Here, k is equal to minus 6 by 5. So, what I have done? I have simplified. Here, cancel with the 5 table, 4, 5 will come, cross multiplication. Okay. Then, what is the h value? Minus 7 by 5, k minus 6 by 5. Okay. Next. Look at here. x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of line joining the points A comma B. If A is minus 1 comma minus 3, A is minus 1 comma minus 3, find B point. Now, look at the solution. There are two problems of this nature, sir. X minus 3y minus 5 is the perpendicular bisector of line joining the points A comma B. If A is this, there is a point, B point, A point, B point. This is a line which is bisecting this, sir. Means it is a perpendicular bisector. What is the line? X minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. A point is what, sir? Minus 1 comma minus 3. Means what? He has given. So if you look at your diagram, what is the image? For this A, B will be the image. For A, B is the image. So I am writing here. From diagram, you have to draw the diagram. From diagram, B is the image of A. So B is the image means what? H comma K. Means indirectly given the problem. So find the image if he says, we directly start. But here he has made a statement. So we have drawn a diagram. With the diagram we are saying B is the image of A. So what is the formula? H minus x1 by A, K minus y1 by B, minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square. Here, what is x1 y1? Minus 1 comma minus 3. What is the a value? What is the line? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to minus 5. Therefore, H minus of minus 1 by A value how much, sir? 1. K minus of minus 3 by B value is also minus 3. Minus 2 into AX1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. By A square plus B square, 1 plus 9. A square is 1, B square is 9. So here, H plus 1 by 1, K plus 3 by minus 3. This will be 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So minus 6 by 10. So 9 minus 1 is 5, 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So H plus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 6 by 10. K plus 3 by minus 3 is equal to minus 6 by 10. I cancel with the 2 table, minus 3 by 5. Here also by minus 3 by 5. Okay, cross multiply. First one cross multiplication, 5 into H plus 1 is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Here also 5 into K plus 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. So 5h plus 5 is equal to minus 3, 5k plus 15 is equal to 9. Okay. So this becomes 5h is equal to minus 8, 5k is equal to 9 minus 15 minus 6. Here if you bring 5 this side, okay, to make you understand, minus 3 minus 5. Here also 9 minus 15. So 5h is equal to minus 8, 5k is equal to minus 6. Therefore h is equal to minus 8 by 5, k is equal to minus 6 by 5. So what is the b coordinates? Minus 8 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5. 4 marks question, sir. So here we have to draw a diagram, then we have to use the image formula. Please note down this. Next, if 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of perpendicular bisector of line joining 3 comma minus 4 and alpha comma beta, 3 comma minus 4 and alpha comma beta, then find alpha plus beta. Okay, so this point here is given, you call it as A, you call it as this B points are alpha comma beta, and what is the line equation? 0. So A point, B point. Okay, again it is a perpendicular bisector, again it is a image, means instead of h comma k you take alpha comma beta. So B is the image of A. What is the formula? Alpha minus x1 by A beta minus y1 by B minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. What is the x1 y1? 3 comma minus 4 for 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. A value 2, b value minus 3, c value minus 5. Therefore alpha minus x1 means minus 3 by a value, or a value 2, beta minus y1, y1 is minus 4, so minus of minus plus 4 by minus 3, minus 2 into a means 6, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12, minus 5 by a square plus b square, 4 plus 9. So I have substituted x1 is 3, y1 is minus 4, so minus of minus will come plus, then by a means 2, b is minus 3. Coefficients are, we have to take the coefficients. So 2 and 3. Okay, then minus 5 will come. So alpha minus 3 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 into 18 minus 5 13 by 13, because 4 plus 9. 13 and 13 will get cancelled. Alpha minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2, beta plus 4 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So alpha minus 3 is equal to minus 4, beta plus 4 is equal to 6. So alpha is equal to minus 4 plus 3, beta is equal to 6 minus 4. So alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 2. Now what the question is asking? Alpha plus beta. Therefore alpha plus beta. What is the alpha value? Minus 1, beta value 2. Is the answer? Here indirect way of giving image formula. Okay, please note on this. Now we are going to discuss 2-3 problems of this nature, sir. Okay, please understand here. This will be 7 marks weightage, sir. So you should remember this. Okay. Now all this whatever we have discussed is 4 marks. Now some of the problems which I am discussing is 7 marks. Okay. First problem in that. Find the equation of straight lines passing from minus 3 comma 2 and making an angle 45 degrees with the line 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Look at the solution completely, sir, and go through the video as many times. This is very, very important. Now what is that? It says equation of straight line passing from this point and making angle 45 degrees with this line. It is not making with the x-axis, sir. It is making angle with the line. Now let required line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Slope is m. We call it as m1 is equal to m. What is the value we got? M is the slope of this line. So this is first point you have to remember. Next, slope of the line plus 4. is equal to minus m2 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay, please understand this problem is very very important, sir. So minus 3 by minus 1. How much we get? 3. This is m2. Now what is the theta he has given? 45 degrees. What is the theta value he has given? 45. Now I am applying one formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Which formula I am applying? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here theta is equal to how much he has given? 45 is equal to m1. What is m1 value? M. Here I have put an arrow. And what is the m2 value? 3 by 1 plus 3m. So I have replaced m1 with m, m2 with m3. Then 1 plus m1 m2. So 3m will come. Tan 45 is equal to what, sir? 1 m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m. Okay, so we got this. Now modulus is there. So 1 is equal to m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m. What I have done? I have taken m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m. Cross multiply is equal to m minus 3. Bring m this side, 1 this side is equal to minus 3 minus 1. 2m is equal to minus 4, m is equal to minus 2. Okay, we got m is equal to minus 2. Therefore, line equation. Where is the line equation? I have taken. What is that line equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. What is m value we got? Minus 2x plus c. I do not know c value. Now what is the point? So now I am considering the point. What is the point? Minus 3 comma. So we have used y is equal to mx plus c. We have applied tan theta formula. Then we have found out the m value. So minus 3 comma 2 means x is replaced by minus 3. Y is replaced by 2. So 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus 3, 6 plus c. From this c, what is the c value? Minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c. Already we got. And what is the c value we got? Minus 4. So we got the c value. So what we have done? We have taken it. Again, modulus is there. So minus 1 is equal to. First we have taken plus 1. Now we have taken minus is equal to m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m. Cross multiplication. Minus 1 minus 3m is equal to m minus 3. Bring m this side, minus 1 this side is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So this becomes minus 4m is equal to minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 by 4 which is 1 by 2. So what is the value? 1 by 2. Right? We got m value. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 2x plus c. Again we have to get the c value. What is the point, sir? Point is what? Minus 3 comma 2. Again same procedure. So what will happen? Y is replaced by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus c. Here x is replaced by minus 3 by 2. Therefore, c is equal to, I am bringing the term this side, 2 plus 3 by 2. So 2 by 1, LCM is 2. So 4 plus 3. So c is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, line equation. What is the line equation? Here. Y is equal to minus, 1 by 2x plus c. 7 by 2. So here, why I said 7 marks, you must be understanding here. So you have to understand required line is equal to yx is mx plus c. Slope is m1 is m for this. Then slope of the line you have to identify. Then use this formula. Okay, please note down this. Next, find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing from minus 10 comma 4 and making an angle theta with x minus 2y is equal to 10 such that tan theta is equal to 2. Observe here, I am underlining, this is a given. Okay, solution. Let y is equal to mx plus c is the required line. Okay, where m1 is equal to m, similar to previous problem, same model sir, m1 is equal to m, and slope of the line x minus 2y is equal to 10, that is minus 10 is equal to 0. What is the m2 minus x coefficient by y coefficient? What is the minus x coefficient by y coefficient? Here x coefficient is 1, so minus 1 by minus 2, 1 by 2. Okay, we got now. Tan theta is equal to what, sir? Yes, given. This is a given. What is the tan theta? 2. Therefore, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 modulus formula. What is the tan theta? He has given 2. Here he has not given angle, directly he has given tan theta. 2 is equal to m1 is m minus m2 is what, sir? 1 by 2 by 1 plus m into 1 by 2 modulus. First I will consider plus sign by 1 plus m by 2. Right? Now cross multiplication. 2 into is equal to right. So 1 plus m by 2 is equal to m minus 1 by 2. Observe here. 2 plus 2 will get cancelled, m is equal to m minus 1 by 2. Okay, what happened? If I open the bracket again, both m's are getting cancelled. No value for m if tan theta is equal to plus 2. Please understand here, because here m and m will get cancelled. Why, sir? If you bring this side, it becomes minus m. So m is cancelling. So what is that? If tan theta is equal to 2, there is no. If tan theta is equal to plus 2, you will not get value for m. Again, minus 2 is equal to m minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m by 2. Cross multiplication is equal to m minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? So when I say m is getting cancelled, now open the bracket. Minus 2 minus m is equal to m minus 1 by 2. Bring m this side, minus 2 this side. So minus m is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 2. What I have done? I brought this side. Minus 2m is equal to LCM is 2. So minus 1 plus 4. So minus 2m is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, here LCM is 1, sir. 4. 4 minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Why, sir? Here we are dividing by 2, sir. So 2 into 2, 4. So minus 3 by 4. We got m value. Therefore, line mx plus c. Okay, is the line. But what is the m value we got? Minus 3 by 4x plus c. Now how to get the c value, sir? Now the point is given. What is the point? Minus 10 comma 4 on it. Means y is replaced by 4 minus 3 by 4 into minus 10 plus c. So 4 is equal to minus of minus is plus 30 by 4 plus c. 10 into 3, 30. Bring the term this side. 4 is equal to c. LCM is 4. So 16 minus 30 is equal to c. So minus 14 by 4 is equal to c. C is equal to cancel with the 2 table, minus 7 by 2. So here we could not get for m, but we are getting here m value. Therefore, required line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. What is the m value we got? Minus 3 by 4. And c value minus 7 by 2. Now we are discussing more of the 7 marks are now. Almost 4 marks, 2 marks we have covered. Now we are discussing 7 marks. Please go through the video properly and try to practice this process. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.